Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're walking down the main amenity street of the village. This is the main amenity street of the village. By the way, this street is Village Glen. There's two things I want to focus on in this video segment. One is this is the actual leasing center. So it's 5605 Village Glen. This is the leasing center, so it's the all glass kind of separated area. This is where you would actually, if you were going to come in person, you would go and you have somebody from the village help you. On the right is one of the fun features of the village, and it's amazing. It's called Buzz and Buzzy. It's really fun. Sorry, it's Buzz and Bustle. I got it wrong. But anyway, this is what it looks like. People love this. It's a coffee place. It is just a cool workplace, and it's just a cool area to be. So it's Buzz and Bustle. You can see people outside, here kind of just studying, just relaxing, and you can kind of see what it looks like. A lot of people are in it, but we're actually going to walk inside and take a look too. So let's walk inside Buzz and Bustle. So really, really cool vibe in here. You can kind of see what it looks like, man. It's like so packed. A lot of people here working, just relaxing. You can kind of see there's students all around. Definitely students, working professionals, just all around here, just having lunch, but also getting stuff done in between classes, or like I said, working professionals. So you can see this is really packed. Also, you can see here there's a full drinks area. So that includes frozen things here, but that also includes soft drinks, beer, wine. Even kind of fun little stuff over here too. So it's a really cool area. And how you doing there? And then also there is a really cool actual live food here too. So you can grab some really cool lunch. They also have some breakfast. And of course they have coffee too. So it's kind of like Starbucks, but it's the best non-Starbucks place you'd want to be. So what are some of the places you'd have here? You'd have overnight oats here, mango chai pudding. You can get some amazing lunch. You can see there's a lot of cool stuff here. So this is Buzz and Bustle. So this is the Buzz, and then the Bustle is I guess is over here. So really, really cool area. Hey, and I'm gonna grab some lunch. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing so far, send me a text. And if you want to set up a virtual live tour, send me a text as well. It's 100% free.